You've learned AI. Now let's get paid. One AI skill can become your first income. Choose one path and start today.
Welcome to The Explainer. So, you've spent the last few months messing around with AI, right? You're writing prompts, generating some cool images, and now you're probably sitting there thinking, okay, what's next? Well, today, we're totally shifting gears. We're going to take those AI skills you've been building and translate them into actual, tangible income in your bank account. We're looking at 5 realistic, completely beginner-friendly paths that actually pay.
But look, before we get into the fun stuff, we really have to address the elephant in the room. You've got the knowledge. You know your way around ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, Canva, but how do you actually get paid? This is a massive frustration, especially for those of you based in Africa. You constantly hit these regional payment roadblocks, platform restrictions, or just terrible, outdated advice that leaves your hard-earned cash stuck in cyberspace. So today, we are busting those myths wide open and showing you exactly how to get those funds safely into your local bank.
All right, let's quickly check out the roadmap for today. We'll start with the monetization gap, then hit AI freelancing, selling digital products, content and remote roles, AI consulting, and finally, wrap it up with a concrete 30-day action plan.
First up, Section 1, the monetization gap. This is all about bridging your skills to actual income. And honestly, waiting around for the perfect opportunity to cross this bridge is literally the biggest mistake you can make right now.
You really just have to stop waiting. I mean it. People with way less skill than you have right this second are earning money every single week simply because they actually took action. But here is the golden rule before we go any further into these paths. You have to pick just one path today. Beginners who try to juggle all 5 of these methods at once, they end up earning from absolutely none of them. Just pick one, get that first payout, and then, sure, go ahead and diversify later.
Okay, let's jump into Section 2, AI freelancing. This is without a doubt the absolute fastest route to your first payment. Think platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Businesses everywhere need work done, and they usually need it done like yesterday. And the best part? You don't need a fancy website or any startup capital. You can immediately jump in and offer things like AI-assisted blog writing, 30-day social media content packs, presentation design, or optimizing CVs and LinkedIn profiles to actually pass those annoying screening softwares. You could even generate voiceovers and audio. Because you have AI supercharging your workflow, your speed advantage is just massive. A project that takes a traditional freelancer 3 whole days, you can knock that out in 1. That speed is exactly how you win.
But, and this is a big but, clients buy proof, not promises. So before you even think about setting your profile to public, you absolutely must build 2 or 3 rock-solid portfolio samples. Use AI to draft an amazing blog post or design a stunning pitch deck, and then jump in and edit it with your own unique voice. When a potential client sees that high-quality proof, that's when they pull the trigger and hire you.
Now listen up, because this is a critical warning for my freelancers in Nigeria. Do not, under any circumstances, route your payouts to PayPal. Right now, going into 2026, most Nigerian PayPal accounts are strictly send only. If you use it, your money is literally going to get stuck in the void forever. The right way to do this? Payoneer. You just withdraw straight from Fiverr or Upwork into a free Payoneer account and then route it directly to your Nigerian bank in Naira. It takes maybe 1 to 3 days, small fixed fee, and boom, you're done. Just make sure you set this up before you accept a single order, okay?
Moving right along to Section 3, selling digital products. This is the whole create once, sell forever dream.
What you're doing here is using AI to collapse the time it takes to create a digital asset. We're talking shrinking months of work down to just a few days, and then you sell it on repeat with 0 delivery costs. And the math here is super interesting, especially on platforms like Gumroad. There's this old rumor floating around that Gumroad doesn't pay creators in Africa. Completely false. They fully support payouts to Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, all of them, right to your local bank. They just take a simple, flat 10% fee per sale, no monthly subscription cost or anything. And the best part? They pay out every single Friday once you hit a super low $10 minimum. It is completely accessible.
So what are you actually selling? Well, mini ebooks, Canva template packs, custom AI prompt collections, Notion planners, short audio courses, the list goes on. But here's the absolute secret sauce to actually getting these things to sell. You have to solve a highly specific, very painful problem. A generic how to use AI guide?
Yeah, that's not going to sell, but an AI cover letter kit specifically for Nigerian graduates applying to remote jobs in the UK. Now that solves a huge problem. That will sell all day long.
All right, Section 4 covers content and remote roles. We group these together because they're really your longer-term plays for building career stability and serious assets. The content creation path is definitely the slowest road to your first dollar, but it honestly has the highest income ceiling by far. You're basically building an audience on YouTube or a blog, but using AI tools to do all the heavy lifting for you. Think Claude for your scripts, Canva for those eye-catching thumbnails, or stuff like Video Express for lightning fast editing. The play here is to start earning through affiliate links from literally day one by recommending the tools you're already using, while you patiently build up that audience to unlock ad revenue, which realistically takes about 6 to 12 months.
Then there's the remote role, or the career path. Look, not everyone wants to hustle and chase down freelance clients, and that is totally fine. This 4-move career play is actually brilliant. Step 1, rebuild your CV using AI tools so it's flawless. Step 2, exclusively target remote roles that specifically mention AI or automation in the job description. Step 3, and this is the kicker, in the interview you look them dead in the eye and say, I actually use AI to do this specific task in half the time. I'm telling you, that is incredibly powerful to an employer. Finally, step 4, once you're hired, automate your daily tasks to make yourself invaluable. The source material actually brings up Kemi, a freelance accountant in Lagos, who used this exact 4-step system to land a remote finance role in the UK. And she didn't know a single line of code. It totally works.
Next up, Section 5, AI Consulting. This is what we call the Advanced Authority Path.
You really only want to tackle consulting after you've got a few wins under your belt from the other paths. You need real results to show people. But once you have those, you basically become the local AI person in your network. Think about small businesses around you, local clinics, schools, real estate agencies. They all know they need AI, but they are completely overwhelmed by it. You can step in and offer a flat fee 1-hour setup session. You build them custom prompts for their daily admin work, or maybe use Zapier to connect their website inquiry forms straight to their phone. It might take you 10 minutes to set up, but to a busy local business owner, it looks like pure magic, and they will gladly hand over money for it.
Okay, theory is great and all, but execution is what actually pays the bills. Let's hit Section 6, your 30-day plan.
When you look at the trade-offs of these 5 paths, it really just comes down to the time it takes versus the income ceiling. As you can see, freelancing is by far the fastest. You're looking at maybe 2 to 4 weeks to see your first income. Digital products take a little more time to build up front, but then that income compounds. Content creation, that's a long 6 to 12 month game, but the ceiling is virtually limitless. And remote roles give you that high, stable income, usually within 1 to 3 months. So you just need to pick the timeline that makes the most sense for your life right now.
So here is your exact step-by-step game plan for the first 30 days. Week 1, you make a firm decision on your one single path, and you get your platforms and payout routes fully set up. Week 2, head down, focus, and build your proof. So your portfolio samples or your product drafts. Week 3, time to go live and start promoting yourself. And week 4 is the critical one. This is where you review your numbers and adjust. Honestly, most beginners quit at week 4 when they don't see $1 million in their account. Don't be most beginners. Just find the weakest link in your chain, fix it, and keep pushing.
We also have to add a quick grown-up note about reality here. As your income starts growing, you've got to keep some simple business records. For instance, Nigeria's 2026 tax reforms explicitly require residents to declare foreign income. Now, don't panic about this on day 1, okay? But once your earnings are actually consistent, start tracking your income and your business expenses, and just have a chat with a local tax professional. Earning legitimately is a huge part of building a real, lasting business that you can be proud of.
The AI tools are completely free, the payout routes are verified and totally open to you, and the roadmap is crystal clear. Literally the only missing variable right now is your decision. So which of these 5 paths are you going to choose today? Pick one, get that account set up, and open the door to actually earning. Thanks so much for hanging out with me on this explainer. My question for you is, what is the very next tab you are going to open on your browser? Make it count.
Pick one path and stay consistent. Set up one earning platform today. Tomorrow, we celebrate your AI journey. Subscribe and finish the masterclass strong.